Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at this smell. Oh, look at this. Like so. Oh.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yeah, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's...
Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a while since we last did a glam hair transformation. I've missed my different personalities, but in this video we're going to be working with WowAfrican. This is the box that the hair comes in. I'm going to do a quick unboxing to show you guys and also talk about the features as well, but this is the box that it comes in. I have my makeup done, I have my hair weaved, and I'm ready to glam up. So let's do it. I'm gonna quickly open this up so we can see exactly what we get. We do have the hair in this bag. This is gonna be the last thing we're gonna unbox as per usual because we're saving the best for the last. This is what it comes in. It comes with this silk drawstring bag, so you can save this when you're done, use this when you're traveling, and protect your hair as well. So in this box also you do get some accessories, thank you card. In this mesh drawstring bag, I'm going to quickly open this up. I find these very useful, especially when you're traveling. When you're traveling, you can just put all your accessories, your combs, your wig cap, your brushes in here, and you're good to go. So you get this lace silk scarf to help with laying down and getting your lace as flat as possible. You also have a HD wig cap as well, tail comb, edge brush, and you have 2 clips as well. So let me quickly take this out of the bag. So right out of the box, this is what this wig looks like. I'm starting to love like highlight colors. I feel like it looks good on my skin, brown skin. Now this is a Kinky textured natural curls 360 glueless HD lace wig with highlights, as you guys are seeing right here. This is a pull and go wig, so you basically just grab this drawstring over here and you pull it to tighten it. Can you guys see that? You're pretty much done. I do want to mention that this is a Lagos hairline, and I've never tried this before, but I always love how it looks. The Lagos girlies just know how to do it, to be honest with you. Now this wig definitely has been bleached, so it does come pre-bleached, also pre-plucked and pre-cut. And for the construction of the wig, you also do get an elastic band as well for that extra added security. Inside the wig, in terms of the construction, we also do get a breathable wig cap. You get combs. I think we have about 4 combs over here, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and 2 at the sides as well. And I'm seeing this silicone grip right here. Silicone is usually very comfortable, but it also has an added grip to the hair, so that way it's not moving around. And we have that at the back of the hair and on the sides as well. I do like this bouncy curls. This is a 20-inch wig, so yeah, this is it. The volume is 180% in terms of the density. I'm gonna put this on right now so we can see exactly what this looks like. Oh wow. Oh wow. But with this, because it has this Lagos hairline, I can pull it back, still show a bit of my forehead, but then this cut just adds a little bit of snatchery to it. So this is what this wig looks like straight out of the box. No melting, no products, no finessing, just as it comes. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly adjust the drawstring. It's just right here at the back of your ears. This is a drawstring right here. We're going to pull this just to draw and lock that in. Ignore it, we're gonna tuck it back in. Do the same thing on the other side. Let me take it out so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing, and we can see exactly what we just did with the drawstring. This is a perfect adjustment for my head, like we just did right now. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm so happy that this wig doesn't need any customization, but also happy that the lace actually matches my skin. To hold down or to melt the lace, I'm going to be using this. This is a melting spray. Now I got this one off Amazon, and I do want to say that this gives me a better hold compared to the regular got2b and all that. I'm going to be using a precise brush, and we're just going to pour some out and then kind of dip and precisely put it exactly where I want it to be, right? I'm going to apply that product just on the lace. I'm going to avoid the hair, so we're going to clip the hair out of the way, so that way we can lay this lace as laid as possible. I'm gonna let this dry down for a minute or two and then use the silk scarf to properly melt this down. I think I want to use an elastic band first. We're gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes, come back and style this hair. This has been sitting for about 5 minutes now. Oh, that relief. Yeah, look at this smell. Look at this. So let me just brush this out. Let me take this clips off. But for my side parts, I usually like it kind of deeper, so that way it kind of falls like so. Oh, so let's create this beautiful deep cut, and you do have a lot of parting space to kind of create whatever style you want. I do really like, oh yeah. Yeah, I haven't even done anything. We want the size to be sleek, but we also want it to have volume, right? So we're just going to, oh gosh. I've missed doing hair videos because there's just something it does when you see yourself transform. So I just grabbed my Gorilla Glue. I have seen a hairstylist use this before, so in case I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But we're gonna use this to sleek this edge. Oh, did I use too much? Right there. Oh, beautiful. Ah, I'm so proud of myself. Let me do this to this side as well. Sleek this. This is totally optional, by the way. See that? See that? So I kind of like where we're at right now. The last thing I want to do is to frame this to my face, right? These pieces are looking a bit too long for me, so we're just going to snip it off, just a little bit of inches off. Much. Just create some layers. And the good thing about it is, with curly hair, I'm not concerned about having blunt edges, because I just have to tweeze it or tease it. How do I say tweeze it? I have to tease it a little bit. This is what it looks like in the side parts, right? So what I want to do is to just finger comb the curls out, just to loosen it up a little bit. But we're going to use our hands, our fingers, just so it doesn't detangle. You can use serum, but I don't want to weigh it down with any product just yet. And to be honest, I think I am done. I don't want to do anything too much. Oh, I feel like I want to cut this off. But yeah, side part has my heart. This is gorgeous. Volume, curls, color, fit, custom. Okay, I'm gonna be really honest with you. This side part has had its moment. I'm still living in the moment, but I wanna play with it. Like, if this hair can do this, I wonder what it can do like with different styles, right? And this is it in a side part. This is what it looks like. For some weird reasons, like, I do like the length. It is a 20 inches, it's a 20 inches unit. But again, because it's curly, you will get that shrinkage. However, if I pull this down, we can see how long this goes. And honestly, if you're done or over like the curly hair, you can straighten this out if you want to. So do bear that in mind as well. But yeah, this is what it looks looks like. I feel like it would look so good if it was longer, but I do like the length. I love the volume. So what I want to do is to see how this looks in like an all back situation. Oof, oof. I think I want to do like a slick, yeah. So this is what you get when you take it all the way back, and if you want it to be like all back with a bit of a side swoop, then you can do that. But I just wanted to take the hair back so we can like see what it looks like in different scenarios, but also look at the lace as well, and the style as well, and the cut as well, and the hairline as well. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, so this is what it looks like when I kind of take all the hair back and flip everything all back, but a little bit to the side. Depending on how you want to style it, this is basically what it might look like. You can use like a hairband to secure it, to style it, but this is similar, kind of what you get with it. You get the idea, right? Ignore that I didn't fully slick it back, but I think this works. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So this all back style right here with this little bit of volume and hump is giving me 60s sexy 60s. That's what I'm getting right now. But let's do a center part, and then we'll do like a ponytail to show you guys what the back looks like. The center is not centering. I think it's okay. Okay, so what I want to do now, I want to take a little bit of this gel, this one. Oh, this is Gorilla Glue, and just like pea-size amount. I think it's even too much, and use that. I already did that on this side. Can you see how this side is like, oh yeah, I want to just slick it back a little bit. I'm going to use my hot comb that has been heating up for a long time, and we're just going to define the spots because it's looking like Humpty Dumpty. It's looking like Humpty Dumpty sat on my head. I tried not to use a lot of product on the hair because I don't want it to be too sleek that it now looks flat, right? I still want it to have its natural texture and feel and look, but I just want it to be properly defined. So that's exactly what we're doing. Let me grab my scissors and do some shaping. I just want it to not cover my face so that you guys can see the lace. Ooh, yeah. So it's center part, but I'm bringing it out of my face so we can see. When I see Lagos hairstylist style hair, I like it when they're like particular about the bangs, like the swoop, the framing of the face. They go like this, you know, and they're like this, pushes to the side. Sorry, I'm just being silly, but when I see them do, I'm like, woof. So now that's kind of like what I'm embodying, you know. Still. Tell me you don't like this. So this is what this hair looks like in a center part. This is what it looks like in a center part. Let's have a moment for it, please. Okay, so this center part has had its moment, and I feel like this is my favorite style. I don't know, but there's something that it's doing to my face in terms of how it's framing it and how the highlights are popping. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Yeah. But I wanted to do a quick, because I don't want to ruin this hair. Like this is gonna be my style. I wanted to do a quick show off. I wanted to show you guys what the back looks like as well. I feel like I did not get the back situated on, but just as is with the drawstring and the fact that it's a 360 wig, I'm going to show you guys how it is. I did not lay it down or anything, but because it's a drawstring and because they cut the lace, because I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let me not talk too much. So I'm going to quickly just pack this hair. Oh my god, I'm cringing doing this, to be honest with you. I feel like the best way to pack this hair will be to take everything all back, but then it's going to ruin the way we styled it. No, I'm going to just lift it up. I'm sorry, I don't want to ruin it. I'm going to lift it up, right? So this is what the back of the hair looks like. If you want to lay down the back of your head, which I don't know if you want to, but you can unloosen the strings, right? And that way you have unstretched lace to work with. So you can then lay it down as you would please. This is exactly what you get from behind. Okay, loves, so we've come to an end and I'm kind of sad to leave, but yeah, this is the finished look. This is the finished style. We kind of style this in multiple ways, so just to show you guys the variety and how versatile you can kind of work with this hair. So yeah, I do want to say a huge thank you to WowAfrican, because this unit is probably gonna be one of my favorite. I do love it. And the only concern I'm gonna have is when it comes to the curls, how long will they hold up, and will I have to keep recurling it? So that's something I will share with you guys in maybe a subsequent video or in a vlog. So if you're yet to subscribe, definitely subscribe. But thank you, WowAfrican. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comment section, and yeah, let me also know which style was your favorite. I think this is mine, but if you prefer this side, I don't know, let me know which one was yours, and I will leave the discount code over here. Definitely use my discount code to get dollars off from your purchase if you are interested in this hair. I will leave everything in the description box as well for you to check it out if you are interested. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay creating. Okay, love you guys. Bye.